Hey, Harry, let's play the hot and cold game. You have to find the mushroom.
Hot is when you get closer to the mushroom, and cold is when you get further away from the mushroom. Get it?
Hot, you're getting closer to the mushroom. Cold, cold.
Hot, Harry.
Cold, Harry. Try again.
Hot, hot, hot. You found it, Harry.
Great game. Let's play some more. We're in the bedroom. You have to find the building block now. Cold, cold.
Harry, you're very far from the block.
Hot, Harry. You're so close.
Go back, go back.
Yes, you did it.
You found the building block. Great game. Let's play some more. You need to find the basketball, Harry. Can you do it? Remember, hot is close, cold is further away. Cold. Too far. Cold, cold. You're far away.
Cold.
Harry, try somewhere else. Hot, Harry.
Very, very close. Hot. Cold. Hot, Harry. Getting closer to the basketball. Hot, Harry. Hot, hot, hot. Very good.
Great job. You found the ball.
Now you can play with it.
Hey! Do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.